If you were to go and ask any expert on housing what he or she would build for themselves, they would tell you beyond the floor plan, the architecture, the schools and so forth, that they have to have 6 complete systems in their next house. So what are those 6 must-haves that any expert would want to have? And the first thing they want to have is they're about to make the biggest investment of a lifetime. They want a house that won't be illegal to build in 3 or 4 years. They want a house that's built to the next generation code. They want a house that's future ready. They don't want a house that's going to be obsolete. That's a no-brainer for anyone that's an expert, right? The next must-have for an expert would be, if I have a house even built to code today, it's a house that basically cannot dry if it gets wet. So they want complete water protection so the house is moisture ready. The biggest fear most homeowners have is about moisture problems. A complete moisture protection system is a no-brainer for an expert. The next thing you want to have if you're an expert is you know that these homes are so different once they're built with so much more insulation and comfort, and air sealing. So you want a house that has a comfort system that knows what to do with that. Because you go longer swing seasons, you have less airflow. You want a house that's comfort ready, that's actually engineered the comfort system to work with a better performing enclosure. And the fourth system that an expert would insist upon, knowing a house is built so much more airtight, is they want all the air quality improvements that should be in any home. They want a house that's health ready. The fifth must-have system that any expert would ask for is they know that high performance components throughout the house are built better, last longer, work better, and they just provide a better experience. So they want efficient components throughout the house so the house is technology ready. And the last piece that an expert would ask for is they know that solar costs are coming down, that the ability to go independent with your own utility bills is right there for the taking. They want a house that's solar ready. And it's simple, no cost, low cost details in the front end can enable you virtually with no cost penalty or disruption in the future to add solar. And I always ask, which of those 6 must-haves would any consumer not want to have? They wouldn't want to have its future ready, or they wouldn't want to have its comfort ready, or moisture ready, or health ready, or technology ready, or they don't want to have it so it's solar ready. There's virtually nothing there that any consumer would not choose him or herself to act in their own self-interest, because that bundle of must-haves actually costs less to own. And the power of 30-year financing and the savings from the utility bills that are greater than the incremental cost to make that house include those 6 must-have systems means it costs less every month to own. This is why we call this the home of the future today. And I've just described to you the specifications for the Zero Energy Ready home. And in the process, what builders get to do is lower their risk because their homeowner is going to have so much more satisfaction, less moisture problems, a house that's ready for the future, and so much more differentiation from the basic minimum code house that's built today. So it's very easy prediction for us to make. This is where the industry is going. The challenge for us now is to engage you, the home building industry, to join us. We have a label that consumers can look for. We're engaging hundreds of manufacturers to help us support and promote this label. It's such an easy sell to a consumer. Every one of these attributes is an attribute that every consumer will want to have for their own house. So when you hear the Zero Energy Ready home label, you know you're getting that 6 must-have systems in each and every home. And that's what you should know about the label. That's what we're going to educate consumers about. This is a home an expert would choose, and it's that simple. So I'm so glad all of you came here today. I'm amazed that you were willing to step out from the main opening ceremonies to hear about this, but this is such an important development. This is where the industry is going. And I thank you very much for coming and kind of looking at it at this scale. We have homes that are built with Habitat for Humanity, homes that are like 7,000, 8,000 square foot homes that are high-end homes. It works at every level. So a couple things. I had some folks here from my team. Raise your hand. They're wearing these funny green shirts with a logo on them, so that's how you can recognize them. So if I'm tied up, any one of those guys can help you out with questions about this as well. So thank you very much, and I'll be sticking around answering your questions. Thank you.
Dekra Roofing Systems is an internationally recognized award-winning manufacturer of stone-coated steel roofing. The timeless design provides the perfect solution for any roofing project. With over 50 years of experience, Dekra is the original stone-coated steel roofing system, offering many benefits traditional roofing materials lack. Dekra panels come in 6 distinctive profiles and a variety of colors. Dekra roofs provide superior performance and longevity with an attractive stone chip finish.